All right, let's check in with TV's Tom Brown. He's in Toronto, and he's been watching, of course, this storm. Tom, look, is Irma still a Category 5, or where are we at right now?
Okay, yes, matter of fact, it is still a Category 5. Let's just have a look at the current wind speed. 295 gusting 360, and right now Morella is moving west-northwest at 26 kilometers an hour. This is a huge storm. From the eye to the outer boundaries, hurricane winds extend 85 kilometers. So this is affecting a large area. And we've been talking about the track, and you can see it is still a Category 5 as it pulls away from Puerto Rico, heads towards Florida. This is Saturday afternoon at 2 o'clock. Sunday, it is still a Category 4 as it passes over Florida, Georgia, into South Carolina, with still winds of 230 diminishing to 195 as it heads into South Carolina.
All right, so it would have to do a fairly big pivot to avoid Florida, and it's, as you say, quite destructive.
Yes, as a matter of fact, we are certainly keeping an eye on Florida right now as the mass exodus continues. A lot of traffic heading north. No traffic is heading south. And I heard stories about how water right now is more expensive than gas, and gas is running out. Let's talk about rain totals across the Caribbean. This is what they can expect as Irma continues to make its way west-northwest. Puerto Rico, 150 to 500 millimeters of rain. Dominican Republic, 100 to 375. Same with Haiti and Cuba. That's a lot of rain. This storm has three parts. Obviously, the winds. We know they're very strong. It's a Category 5, might diminish to a Category 4. We also have to talk about the waves. The waves hitting the Bahamas, Turks and Caicos, could be 20 feet in height. And let's talk about the tide. The tide could be anywhere from 4 to 11 feet above normal.
20 feet in height. Wow, that is something. And you're tracking a couple of other storms, too, I understand.
Yeah, it's not just Irma. As a matter of fact, both those storms have now become hurricanes. Hurricane Jose, right now 1,675 kilometers to the east of Hurricane Irma. It is moving to the west-northwest at about 26 kilometers an hour. It could become a Category 3 as early as Friday. And as you can see, it is following the exact same path. And then in the Gulf of Mexico, yesterday it was TD13. Earlier today, it was a tropical depression. Now it is Hurricane Katia. And of course, it looks like it's going to remain fairly stationary. It continues to tap into the Gulf, bringing upwards of 375 millimeters of rain to northern Veracruz.
Yeah, I would be fleeing north as well. CTV's Tom Brown, sir, thanks for that.
Thank you.